Established over a century ago, the University of Delhi stands as a beacon of education, excellence, and transformation. From its modest beginnings, the University of Delhi has grown into one of the most revered institutions, nurturing some of the nation's brightest minds. Its alumni can be found leading industries, driving innovations, and shaping societies, reaffirming the university's role as a vital force in progress and enlightenment. Today, the university's legacy is etched not just in India but across the globe. The journey of University of Delhi is one of resilience, growth, and global impact. And to ensure its continued excellence, the University of Delhi has launched the Endowment Fund, a collective commitment to fostering groundbreaking research, empowering students, and strengthening the university's global legacy. The University of Delhi Foundation is a Section 8 company committed to fostering strong alumni relations and building a robust endowment fund to support the University of Delhi's academic and infrastructural development. Established to strengthen the university's connection with its alumni and stakeholders, the foundation plays a pivotal role in mobilizing resources and creating a network of support for the university's initiatives. Through its efforts, the foundation is dedicated to preserving the University of Delhi's legacy while shaping a brighter future for its students and faculty.
One thing which we have to understand, that money is very important.
Yes, true.
Without money, you cannot do many things.
True.
And this university is very fortunate that Government of India is supporting us very well. But it is also our responsibility to have our own resources also. I'm not saying that the Government of India will not support. Government of India is supporting. They keep on supporting us.
Correct.
But if we want to have new initiatives worldwide, universities have their endowment funds.
Endowment funds, correct.
So we thought, let us start this. So we have started University of Delhi Foundation.
Ji.
And then Professor Anil is the CEO of that foundation.
Right.
And the job of the foundation is to generate money for the university because we have a very large, effective, important base of alumni.
Absolutely.
Please contact them. I said, ask money so that they will donate to the university. One is for a specific purpose.
Right.
Another is for the endowment fund. Another is you can give in kind also. And experience of 1 year is very, very encouraging. Then LIC has also given us a ambulance for the university.
Okay.
Reliance has, through BSES, has decided to give us laptops to poor students, poor girls, we have decided, costing around 2.5 crore rupees. We want to create the environment of giving, concept of giving to our alumni and society. Because universities are not of vice chancellor or faculty members and students. A university is the property of society.
Yes.
Property of nation.
See, raising funds through the alumni, this has been my passion also. Why it has been my passion? Because I've heard many good noble stories about Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya ji. And in our Indian tradition also, Vidya Param Dharam, that Vidya Dan or Vidya ke liye Dan, that you are asking funds for establishing or for growth of a university, the premier university of the country, and that to your alma mater. I thought that I'm very privileged one that this charge has been given to me.
इस फाउंडेशन से जुड़ने के बाद मेरे अंदर एक और भावना आई है
वो ये आई है कि देखिए, मनुष्य जन्म लेता है, अकेला आता है, जन्म लेता है, परिवार के साथ जुड़ता है, परिवार के लिए कुछ करता है, उसके बाद समाज के लिए कुछ करता है, उसके बाद आगे बढ़ेगा, प्रभु की कृपा होगी तो राष्ट्र के लिए कुछ करेगा, और उसके बाद विश्व कुटुंब के लिए कुछ करेगा। तो ये विश्वविद्यालय का जो प्लेटफॉर्म है, ये विश्व कुटुंब का, राष्ट्र निर्माण का कार्य भी है, विश्व कुटुंब का भी कार्यक्रम है, और इसमें जितने अधिक से अधिक, मैं तो कहता हूं, लोग जुड़ेंगे। मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों को जोड़ा है और एज कोऑर्डिनेटर में जोड़ भी रहा हूं, और मैं ये चाहता हूं कि अधिक से अधिक लोग लें और इसका पूरी दुनिया के लोगों को लाभ होगा।
You've spoken some time back about how the management faculty actually brought about a complete shift in attitudes and a shift in her life when she finished her MBA. Now, to what do you, I mean, what is it exactly that happened which makes you think so?
She discovered herself.
Yeah.
Discovered herself in the way that she felt that hitherto her entire thought process of what she could do, apart from charity and welfare works and going out to relative outreach to people, was to handle finance. It was FMS, and I'm telling you this because I know it. She told me the faculty of FMS at that time. But there were certain faculty members who absolutely opened her eyes to the potential she had within her. Right? And so she said, I am capable of managing, doing something which is beyond the current horizon. This impulsive forward motion, as you can call it, this acceleration, this breaking of the inertia that existed until then, this was entirely the gift of the FMS. Right. And mind you, the friends she made in her FMS batch remained friends to her dying day.
Actually, I have been wanting to give this kind of donation to the university as a, what shall I say, a feature, as a token only of my appreciation and gratitude to the university for what I have become and what I am today. I have to thank the Vice Chancellor because I didn't know how and where to approach, but I'd heard, Professor Yogeshji, that you are very open to new ideas. So I just sent this email, with my own proposal, not knowing what reaction I would get. But he in turn passed it on to Professor Anil, and he and his the CEO, Dr. Gitanjali, both really worked very hard. So the matters were expedited. And so mine is really a drop in the ocean of the need that there is for such accommodation. But I thought, doesn't matter, even if it's a drop, maybe a drop by drop, more will be added.
This whole initiative of having a Delhi University Foundation, I think it was long overdue. I think probably I knew about the foundation and its very dynamic activities from day one. So I have been involved in various ways, if nothing, at least talking to Professor Anil about the kind of activities which the Delhi University Foundation is involved with, the kind of good work it has been doing, and the kind of vision the foundation has.
तो इसलिए मैं अपने सभी साथियों से अपील करता हूं कि हमें यूनिवर्सिटी में वी मस्ट कंट्रीब्यूट। ये बहुत जरूरी है कि कंट्रीब्यूट करना। 10-20 लोग 50 लोग जब निकलेंगे ना, तो हजारों लोग साथ चलेंगे, मेरा ऐसा विश्वास है। और मैं सभी साथियों से, और दूसरे जो लोग पुराने ओल्ड स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आज भी ऐसे लोग हैं जिनको मैं जानता हूं जो 100 साल के होने जा रहे हैं, अगर हम उनको अप्रोच करें, सर्टेनली दे विल कंट्रीब्यूट। हर आदमी की इच्छा है मैं भी कुछ, मेरा भी नाम हो, लेकिन वो चाहता है कि मेरा भी कंट्रीब्यूशन मेरी संस्था के साथ जहां मैं पढ़ाऊं वहां हो।
एक जुड़ने की भावना
है, तो उसको हम बढ़ाना चाहिए, और हम लोग सब जुड़ करके एक साथ इसको बढ़ाएंगे तो मुझे उम्मीद है अगले 5 साल में बहुत कुछ हम कर सकते हैं।
मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता कि मैं जब वाइस रीगल हॉल में बैठा था और इंस्टेंट इट केम टू माय माइंड कि ये मैं सुन रहा हूँ, जो जब इसका लोगो वहाँ डिजाइन होके उसका अनावरण हो रहा था, मिनिस्टर साहब कर रहे थे, तो मैं इंस्टेंटली मुझे लगा कि यार खाली मैं सलाह देता हूँ उससे क्या फायदा है, आई शुड डू समथिंग, ओनली देन आई शुड टॉक, ओनली टॉकिंग विल नॉट हेल्प। और मैंने तुरंत वीजी साहब को इमीडिएटली वहीं पर इंस्टेंटली मैंने कंट्रीब्यूशन दिया।
अरे मैडम, मेरे मन को बहुत शांति हुई थी। मेरी माँ ने मेरे को 8 लाख रुपए दिए थे, अभी सब भाइयों को मतलब 8 लाख रुपए, उसमें से मैंने 5 दे दिए थे, अपनी माँ को भी बताया था, और वो दे के मेरे को बहुत अच्छा महसूस किया था। कोई ऐसी बात नहीं, बहुत ही बढ़िया लगा था मेरे को। और कुलपति साहब से सीध में बैठा हुआ था, वो भी मेरे को बहुत अच्छे खुश नजर आ रहे थे, बहुत अच्छे से उन्होंने अप्रिशिएट किया था मेरे को, बड़ा अच्छा लगा था।
And on 2nd September, when we had the alumni in Bombay, I had gone there, Amchi Mumbai. Then that उसमें बहुत अच्छा लगा था, and I met your vice chancellor there, and उनके बहुत अच्छे words सुने थे हमने, what he is trying to do for the Delhi University. So I said, you know, this is the best way, because we have always been at the receiving end. If my children are doing it, then also I'm at the receiving end. And in a society, if you have, and if you can pay back, why not do it? This was the time, you know, I wanted to contribute a little bit, so I've done it.
यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ दिल्ली फाउंडेशन में पर्टिकुलरली वाइस चांसलर साहब और प्रोफेसर अनिल जी, उनका इतना ज़्यादा सहयोग है इस काम को करने के लिए। मेरी भी उनके प्रति बड़ी निष्ठा है, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने एक बॉम्बे में प्रोग्राम देखा था और हम उसमें पार्टिसिपेट भी किया था, आमची बम्बई। तो उसमें वाइस चांसलर साहब ने बहुत सारी चीज़ें वहाँ लोगों को बताई, जो उन्होंने इनिशिएटिव लिए और जो काम वो कर रहे हैं और जो काम वो उन्होंने प्रपोज भी किए और वो हो भी रहे हैं। जैसे सबसे बड़ा काम ये था कि भाई जो लोग एजुकेशन से वंचित रह गए थे किसी रीज़न से, और वो अब एजुकेशन को बढ़ाना चाहते हैं, चाहे वो किस भी एज के हैं, वो भी अपनी एजुकेशन को कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं। ये एक वंडरफुल काम उन्होंने एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी इनिशिएटिव लेकर के किया है, जिसके लिए हम लोग हमेशा उनके लिए आभारी रहेंगे।
Delhi University has given me so much that I cannot repay it in any form. What I learned from this university, in terms of hard work, in terms of commitment to always in the learning mode, and that's what gave me the strength. दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी से कम नहीं है, हमारे स्टूडेंट हैं, मेरे टीचर्स हैं, जो कि नोबल लॉरिएट, नोबल प्राइज़ के लिए उनके नाम प्रपोज हो चुके हुए हैं। This is because, and we owe something, every one of them. So that's the kind of culture, that's the kind of training, that's the kind of, you know, exposure that we get here. I'm grateful to everyone, to Delhi University and my old friends and colleagues.